Welcome to this grammar session. My name is Alejandra Muy and I'm part of EPI at intecap. Today, I'll show you how to form and use the present perfect progressive tense. Let's start. There are several scenarios where we can use the present perfect progressive tense for real life settings, involving what people has been doing for quite some time now. Let's check a few. Number 1, work experience. Number 2, places where people have been living for quite some time now. Number 3, actions, adjustments, or improvements people have been doing recently or lately. Let's take a look on the affirmative form. First, we have the subject, followed by the have or has been, plus the verb in ing and the complement. Example, I've been living in London for 2 years. For the negative form, we start with the subject, followed by haven't or hasn't been, plus verb in ing and complement. As for example, we have, I haven't been going to the gym recently. For the just no question form, we start with have and has at the beginning of the sentence, followed by the subject, plus the been, followed by verb in ing form, and the complement. At the end, the question mark. We have this example, have you been working out recently? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. For the WH questions, we start with the WH question word, followed by have or has, plus the subject, plus been, plus the verb in ing form, plus complement, and at the end, the question mark. This is the example. Where have you been working lately? Well, I have been working for P&G for the last 5 years. I hope you found it useful, and don't forget to like this video and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.